Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the cyberbullying detection system using machine learning. So let's open the admin section. Have to just enter the URL and then /admin. So it will open the chat section. Okay, and whenever user send any message, then it will classify that is neutral or it will cyberbullying. Okay, so and it will also store in the admin section like this chat owner, time and sender and message. It will store that particular all those things. Okay, that is user 1, chat owner. Let's send any other message. How are you? So it considers as a neutral text. FU cyberbullying detected, your record has been sent to admin. Okay, just entering another num BSDK. Cyberbullying detected, your record has been sent to admin. Open the dataset folder. This is the dataset folder. Open the dataset file that contains the neutral text or cyberbullying detected text. It will classify as 1 or -1 as label. You can copy any of the message and just paste in the chat section. So the model will classify it like cyberbullying detected, your record has been sent to admin. Now let's open the chat sections that contain multiple chats. Let's open any chat and it will show the chat owner, sender and time, and that particular message is neutral or the cyberbullying detected message. Okay, so this is the complete project. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.